Hellraiser Discord community, I present this documented account. Leatherface brooded, chainsaw silent, thinking of Hellraiser revival. Not wild slaughter, but ritual pain as opposed to frenzied malice. Pinhead's calm cruelty felt wrong, yet familiar. Transmogrifying flesh, suffering as a purpose. A hell quieter, stricter, and endless. He also can't help but wonder what Cenobite flesh tastes like. Perhaps the puzzle box from his last kill will give him an appetizer, or perhaps even a main course. Chainsaw massacres wouldn't be confined to just Texas anymore. It would tear into countless worlds, punishing every curious, wanting, and lamenting soul. They will experience both the pleasure and the pain of the Cenobitic chainsaw.